everyone, I'm Kratika from Consortium Gifts, and let's explore some gift options to give to your father this Father's Day. So we'll begin by this great and premium box which has Shantu Nikhil branding on it, and it consists of some cufflink, a silk tie and a pen. Well, the pen has a metallic finish and looks very elegant. Other than that, you can also have some options exploring just around pens as well. For example, this pen. If you see this pen well, of course it has this metallic finish, and of course this comes with beauty with balance, I'd say, after looking at the words. And no matter how much people say that pens are very common to give, well, they're now going back. You always can give a pen to your father on Father's. Switching to the next product. So next up we have this Moco Mini box, which consists of many areas wherein you can keep your mobile phone, your wallet, and the best part is that it keeps everything safe and secure. Well, if your father is going to travel or if your father travels often, this is one perfect gift. And also near beach sides or wherever you go, you can always have something wherein you can keep all the things safely, because of course it doesn't let water get into your personal items as well. So yeah, a great gift option to give to your fathers. Moving on to the next product. The next product is this very elegant boardroom dome nightlight. Well, this has been created by an award-winning designer, and just look at it. It comes into our Wow Taj collection, and just look how premium and cute this looks. Well, you can always just plug in into a switch and always use it at night for as a night lamps, or also to create some light around the room in the night. So yeah, a good gift option to give to your fathers. Moving on to the next product. Well, the next product is so simple but so precious. Like, I have never seen my father wake up any day and not ask for a cup of tea or coffee. So yeah, these cute cups, which are also sustainable and eco-friendly, come along as a great gift idea to give to your fathers. And of course, they definitely have some tea or coffee, but still it's our duty to remind them to have some glass full of waters or something nutritious as well. So yeah, these glass options are great for keeping water, for keeping smoothies or anything like that. And of course, they're sustainable, along with this cup sets which you can give. Of course, whenever he gets up in the morning, I think the first thing he'll remember is a gift which you gave to him on Father's Day. So yeah, this is a great gift option. Now moving on to the next product. Well, these days, not only kids are tech savvy, but our fathers are as well. So yeah, if your father is someone who uses a laptop and has to travel along with some laptop, then this laptop sleeve from the boardroom collection is something which you can definitely give to him on this Father's Day. Alongside that, it's just not useful for a laptop to keep a laptop. You can also keep important documents and move in style, which looks very elegant as well when you keep up with a formal look. So yeah, a definite and must give gift to your father if he's someone who has a love for tech products as well. Moving on to the next product. Well, it is possible that you might have gifted your father a wallet sometime, but this time maybe you can upgrade and give them a travel wallet. Well, this travel wallet has compartments wherein your father can keep his passport, and also alongside it has some SIM options as well, wherein you can keep their SIM, pen drives and important documents as well. Also, you can hold up to 2 passports at a time. And again, like, just look at the finish and the cover. Well, it's of course a sustainable product, and it looks very handy and very nice and elegant if you're going to travel, and if father is someone who is traveling. And also maybe this is your sign to plan a trip with your father and use this. Moving on to the next product. Well, now that wallet has come into a picture, I cannot let go this video without having an option of gifting a wallet to your father. Well, I mean, this can never go wrong, and this is old but is always precious. So yeah, gift him a wallet if like this. If you see, it comes into a very great space, and alongside we also have some great color options as well. If you see, these wallets have such a premium finish and a very elegant touch to them as well. So yeah, wallets can never go wrong. So if you're looking for something which is super easy to pick, go ahead with wallet. Moving on to the next product. Well, this gift idea is something which even I am going to give to my father this Father's Day. This is a Scaling with GB goal planner. It is not any ordinary goal planner. This goal planner is a perfect place for short-term goals, long-term goals, medium goals, and along with that, it is also coupled up with a review mechanism as well, where you can review what are your week's plans and also see where you are going and where you're moving ahead. Well, this is one of the most productive gift options which you can give to your father this Father's Day. So yeah, Moving on to the next product. Well, the next gift option is a very common gift idea, but this is something which always works and also has multiple benefits as well. Giving him a smartwatch can never go wrong. Of course, because again, it's useful to watch the time, and of course it has some great health benefits as well, because you can always monitor your heart rate, your oxygen level through these watches. And yeah, of course, these come in great and very elegant color options as well. So yeah, this is something which can definitely give. Switching on to the next product. So here is our last gift idea, which is a travel bag, which is very spacious, comes with 2 compartments, and also if your father is someone who also has some laptop or something like that which he carries around, this bigger version of this is also going to help. So yeah, it's going to be a great gift option, because of course, just look at the designing of this, look at how the color is. I'm sure your father is going to love this. So well, I hope you liked all the gift ideas that we suggested for give your father this Father's Day. And of course, Father's Day and a bond with father is something which of course cannot be given or reflected by a gift, but definitely it adds up to something. So yeah, write a note, a letter, and maybe a cute little gift along with it to give your fathers on this Father's Day. So yeah, if you're looking out to give these gift options in bulk and place these bulk orders, then you can always visit www.consortiumgifts.com to place your order. And yeah, happy Father's Day to all the fathers from Consortium Gifts. Do give a gift to your father this Father's Day.